Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Julie Kruger, and I'm the owner of Kruger Immigration Law, headquartered in Buffalo, New York. And our practice is limited to U.S. immigration law. So we handle family immigration cases, business cases, removal defense, citizenship, and naturalization cases. Basically, any kind of immigration matter pertaining to the United States. We love helping our clients achieve their dreams without borders. So if you'd like to speak with me, we offer a free case evaluation. You can reach me at 716-393-9878. You can find me on the web at www.krugerimmigrationlaw.com, or you can email me at julie@krugerimmigrationlaw.com. I'd be happy to speak with you and see if we can help you achieve your dreams without borders. So, I wanted to share with you today a recent case success that we had. Our client is originally from Pakistan and now a citizen of Canada, and had been in the United States as a TN visa holder, as an engineer for many years. Maybe about 25 years, had departed the United States to go visit some family, was reapplying to come into the United States at the port of entry at the airport in Abu Dhabi. And he presented the same documents he had been presenting for a very long time, so that he could be readmitted to the United States in his TN visa status as an engineer to continue to work for the same company. However, he got denied on that occasion. And when he got denied, the officer who denied his case did a really detailed record of sworn statement, asked a lot of questions about his U.S. immigration history, and he also asked him a lot of questions about his affiliation with various organizations that he had been a member of, and his connections all around the world. So he got denied, and he didn't get denied because he was found either not to have a job offer, or because he didn't qualify for the position, or he wasn't an engineer, or the duties of the TN visa job didn't meet what the TN visa requirements were. He got denied because he was found to be an intending immigrant. And we are seeing this more and more commonly now at the border, in visa applications and in immigration, non-immigrant applications in general, where officers want to deny the case. There isn't necessarily that the person doesn't meet one of the requirements, but that the officer wants to deny the application anyway for maybe some other reason. And so the officer will sort of use this intending immigrant category as kind of a catch-all to deny someone a visa application when they really don't have another specific reason that they can point to. So that's what happened in this case. They said that the person had been in the United States for a very long time on their TN status, had family members in the United States, and therefore was an intending immigrant. When really the person is a citizen of Canada, a citizen of Pakistan, also has family outside the United States, has property outside the United States, and so was able to show that had a lot of non-immigrant ties outside the United States. So when they got denied, then they contacted our office. They were referred by another immigration attorney, and we reviewed the record of sworn statement that was taken at the border, reviewed all of the documentation that he had submitted, and really talked in detail with him about the position, his qualifications, what the duties of the job were, and what he had been doing in the United States, and what his non-immigrant ties were. So based on that initial, and that was a free case evaluation, based on that initial evaluation, we determined that we think he really truly does qualify as a TN visa holder under the engineer profession. And so he retained us to prepare a new application. The documents that he had been taking to the border for a long time were pretty minimal, and that had been able to get him admitted in the past. But we're really seeing under this administration that officers are looking for a lot more documentation. So we prepared a really detailed application. We worked with the company to put together a really strong letter from the company to explain what the company is, what the position is, what the proposed duties are, and why they wanted to hire this particular applicant. And then we worked with the applicant to put together really strong supporting documentation of his qualifications, his degrees, his transcripts, showing all of the decades of experience that he had as an engineer. And then we prepared this application. We sent it to him so that he would have an original application to present at the border. And then we also had a detailed call with me and the applicant before he went to the border, where we went through in a lot of detail, again, what his previous experience had been at the border and what the interview was going to be like now. We advised him where to go, which port of entry to apply at, what times to go at, really went through all the details to help him have put together the strongest and best foot forward that he could when he was going to the border for his interview. So he went to the interview, and his interview, it was a couple hours long, and but the officers took into consideration all the documentation that he had put together, that we had worked on with him, read that company support letter, actually ended up apologizing to him for the experience that he had had at Abu Dhabi, and it readmitted him as a TN visa holder under the engineer profession for a period of a year, and he can now come back into the United States and continue performing the same job that he had been doing all along for the company that he's been working for. So we're thrilled for our client that he was able to have such a successful result. And we just wanted to share that with you. So if you have a case that you wanted to speak with me about, I'd be happy to speak with you about, see if we can assess what's happened in your immigration case, and if we can help you get a good result if you've been denied. Maybe we can help you overcome that as well. We would do the case evaluation to determine that. Give me a call. Again, you can reach me at 716-393-9878, or you can call me, or you can email me at julie@krugerimmigrationlaw.com. Thanks so much for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every couple weeks, let you know about updates to immigration law, case successes that we have, trends that we're seeing, and we bring to you other professionals who can provide information that you need to know to get your case started in the United States. So please subscribe and come back and watch for more. Thanks so much.